Today we're going to be sorting out my fidget box. Let's go. We got 2 Play-Dohs, purple and pink. 2 Play-Dohs, purple and yellow. 2 Play-Dohs, orange and teal-ish. 2 Play-Dohs, green. 2 Play-Dohs, pink and blue. 2 poppets, this one and this one. They're so satisfying. Model Magic, I'm pretty sure you've heard of it. Okay. This little spike ball, oops, this little spike ball, and two slimes, popsicle scented and pickle scented, clear slime, come here, baby. Come here. I have like 3 cats. I got this one. This one has an earworm, or whatever it's called, ringworm. I have this one that has a little surgery soon. And I got this one that keeps biting me. Eloise, Eloise, look. There you go. She bites me a lot. Bubbles in this little slow rising squishy. Hello Kitty and mushroom slime. Mushroom. Water slime. Fidget spinner. Slime. A cat and an elephant squishy. This little thing where you try to get them all on the hole without it falling over and resetting you. This ring. Putty. Slap bracelet. This thing where you try to get it in a straight line. Finish it. Got it in a straight line. Origamis. This thing that has lots and lots of glitter on it, as you can tell. Squishy and a squishy. Ketchup scented slime. Water slime. This little thing. Slime, some stickers, slap bracelet, water squishy, some water slime, Neato, it flips. There we go. This poppet and this poppet. This little fidget spinner thing, it spins. It's wacky tackies and a poppet too. This little ducky. This little feel good thing, and you just rub on it. And this little poppet. And last but not least, stop spinning. And last but not least, this slime that I'm going to give away. Thank you. Let's resort this back in the box. We're just going to throw all of it back in there. Thank you. Love you. Bye.